Monday morning, we need coffee.
Yeah. What are we gonna do today?
So we can go to the beach.
Yeah. Play, just chill in the beach, no?
Our first coffee.
Yep.
I took us the wrong way because I wanted to see the beach. Right? That's why I wanted to see the beach. So cool. We found it. You're impressed? What did you order?
I got avocado toast with ham and cheese, tomato, and scrambled egg.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited. My food just got here and it's huge. That's so much bigger than I thought it would be. And no food for you.
I'm on a diet.
Someone got food.
This is breakfast and lunch.
Are you content? It does look really, really big. Yeah, it's not the cheapest, but it's huge. Like so much bigger than I thought it would be. Yeah, it was so good, but we definitely could have split one.
Yeah.
Especially because we're going to the beach now and we're just going to be super full.
I mean, for the price, I did not expect that it was that big.
Yeah, same.
It was so big.
I thought it would be like half the size.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Toast.
Best brunch to get on Phi Phi Island.
Yeah, for that price. Yeah. Come here.
It's so funny here too if you wake up early. Like at nighttime, there's so many foreigners. And then early now, there's no foreigners.
Why?
Everyone's hungover and dying.
So.
Yeah. But speaking of which, we have to go check out the party beach tonight.
Yeah. Party, not really party.
Got our spot. Thanks. Ready? Time to tan. You can't see. It's so bright. But yeah, hopefully we'll tan. We're trying to run to the viewpoint.
Yeah, with our sandwich.
Yeah. It's really cool though because it's so jungly, like everywhere.
Yeah.
It's so tiny.
Yeah.
I love it. But I want to get there.
Yeah. Let's run.
The sign says viewpoint. There's supposed to be a ton of stairs to get to this viewpoint.
How many stairs?
I don't know. We can count. That can be your job. Yeah, 30 baht. I thought it was the one viewpoint at the top, like the platform at the top, and maybe it's to enter here you have to pay. I don't know. So many stairs. All right, we're gonna try and run. Are you counting how many stairs? And then long way to go.
Outside.
A little out of breath?
Oh, yeah. The views are better here.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Apparently, you can't bring beer. We didn't bring beer. We can see the beach now though. Nice.
So 30 baht.
Ouch.
30 baht each, right? Oh no. There's not too many people.
And we're about to go to viewpoint 2. I like the water's so cool and you can see both sides. Here. So cool. How are you?
I'm good now, it's breezy here.
Yeah.
But I need to rest 5 minutes. It's okay?
Alright, water break and then let's run to number 2.
Running.
That's 2. I'm kind of surprised how many people are up here at the viewpoint. Like here at viewpoint 1, there's kind of like a lot of people. So, I want to see how many people are at viewpoint 2 and viewpoint 3. He hates me right now.
So we are on Phi Phi Don, but you can see Phi Phi Lay, like the one with Maya Bay, way off in the distance.
Yeah, so to viewpoint 2 is a 5-minute walk from viewpoint 1. We'll see. Is it really 5 minutes? We're almost there. The viewpoint is growing. Now it's turned into like a whole restaurant thing. He's dying.
He's killing me.
Look at this view. It's amazing, baby.
Not deal with food.
Stop, you love hot. Is it worth it? You can see the other viewpoint here in the distance. So these two are super close, like 5 minutes apart, and then this is, I guess, viewpoint 3. So that's pretty far from where we are.
So sunset is in 15 minutes, and it's crazy. This viewpoint 2 has so many people now.
Yeah.
Like so. Now is the real sunset. Looks so cool. You can see all the boats on the water. Half the people have left. Everyone left except for this guy. Yeah, everyone left the roof except us. It's so much better now though. Sky is on fire.
And the sunset is so nice. I don't know if you can see in the video, but it's amazing. Like,
Yeah, no, now it's just kind of red. It kind of died.
it's weird because all the people has left here and there's almost no one now. And it's much more beautiful now than before.
Yeah. All right, it is officially dark. You can barely see sunset now. The beach is all lit up though here. So we're gonna go down to the beach and maybe we'll get dinner there. literally just walked down a whole street of tattoo shops. You don't want a tattoo? Yeah, I don't want any. Tons of just bars and music and lights, and super cute, but like I don't see food anywhere.
Yeah. I'm hungry, but yeah, it's so cute.
Yeah. If we're just getting drinks and stuff, yeah, it would be super chill. Here's your bar.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's getting crazy at night here.
I believe it, yeah. What time is it right now? It's like 8 o'clock.
7:30.
That is 7:30. This guy's passed out already. Wow, that's crazy though. 7:30 and it's already so cool.
You see a full party there?
Yeah, oh god. Yeah, this definitely looks like it would be crazy later on. What are we doing?
We have to find a restaurant now to eat something.
Are we gonna change our mind and party instead of going on the tour tomorrow?
I don't think so. I don't want to have hangover tomorrow in the sea.
Yeah. They don't have food here?
Let's walk in the street, no?
Okay. What is this? Hangman.
Okay, I'm having rice with chicken basil and fried egg for...
As always.
Yeah, I love it, this one. Almost every day this.
And I got chicken fried rice with egg.
So that's all here in Koh Phi Phi.
We're gonna be living here in Thailand for a whole year.
So subscribe and see you in the next
more.
adventure.